Fighting global warming is a priority for ENGIE. By placing renewable energies at the heart of its strategy, the group is taking action, now. In a difficult global pandemic context, ENGIE has reiterated the strong growth performance delivered in 2019 by commissioning again 3 gigawatts of new renewable capacity in 2020, including almost 2 gigawatts in the US. In addition, the group also acquired 2 gigawatts of operating assets in Europe. ENGIE is on track to meet its target to commission 9 gigawatts of renewable capacity between 2019 and 2021. ENGIE currently operates more than 31.1 gigawatts of renewable installed capacity. This represents over 20% of ENGIE's operating results and 1/3 of its growth investment. And we are targeting an additional 4 gigawatts per year to accelerate the transition to carbon neutrality. To further accelerate, ENGIE is investing massively in new technologies. Firstly, in offshore wind, our recent alliance with EDPR, called Ocean Winds, will reinforce our position as the world leader in the sector. Biogas, indispensable to the energy mix, is already underpinning the development of a sustainable and virtuous industrial sector. Our goal is to increase our installations fourfold over the next 3 years. To decarbonise industry, transports and to store renewable energies, we are committed in more than 30 green hydrogen projects. Lastly, to support our customers' energy transition, we offer innovative green energy purchase contracts, Green Corporate PPAs. Every day, thanks to our 5,000 renewable expert employees, we reconcile economic performance with positive impacts on people and the planet. This is our purpose.